The first step is to install the phone case. Install the top position first. Install the bottom again. The phone case is installed. Remove the phone case. Be sure to remove it from the lens area to avoid damaging the screen. Open the NFC function of the phone from the phone settings. You can click on the ShoeSuite app to play. The homepage has a carousel introduction and various exciting pushes. You can choose the recommended screen projection according to your preference. Preview 3 different screen effects. Click directly to cast the screen. Wait for the screen to display. The screen projection effect is complete. There is also a DIY creation page for you to show off your skills. Import your favorite pictures from the album. Select the image to start DIY creation. Text editing can change the font size. Select the screen projection effect. Waiting for display. Screen projection complete. Hurry up and try it.